Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore credit card chargebacks with American Express. Complete guide step by to restore credit card chargebacks with American Express. Begin by gathering all relevant documentation. This includes your original receipt, transaction details, and any correspondence related to the charge. Next, log into your American Express account on their official website or mobile app. Locate the section for disputes or chargebacks, which is typically under account services. Select the transaction in question that you wish to dispute. Follow the prompts to initiate the chargeback process. You may be required to provide an explanation for the dispute and attach the gathered documentation. Be sure to clearly articulate the reason for the chargeback, whether it's a billing error, goods not received, or services not rendered. After submitting your dispute, you will receive a confirmation from American Express. Monitor your email for any updates regarding your dispute status. American Express may contact you for additional information, so be prepared to respond promptly. Once American Express has reviewed your case, they will inform you of their decision. If the chargeback is approved, the funds will be credited back to your account. If denied, review their reasoning carefully as you may have the option to appeal. Keep all communication and document copies for your records throughout the process. Finally, learn from the situation to avoid future disputes, maintaining good relationships with merchants and financial institutions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.